morning, dear students. Let us continue the topic indefinite integration. Look at this question. We'll go few of the questions on substitution method. Look at this. Look at this. E to the power x minus 1 plus x to the power e minus 1 by e power x plus x power e into dx. Options they have given. See, by looking at the option, you can easily guess it is substitution method. How can you guess? Look here, every option they have given log. If you take denominator as substitution, you are going to get the numerator. Okay, let me see here how to take that. I will take this denominator, that is e power x plus x power e is equal to t. What is the differentiation of this? E power x is e power x. X power e, x power n is there, means it is n into x power n minus 1. Now x power e is there, therefore it is e x to the power e minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Therefore, see here, numerator you don't have e. See, from this and this, let me take e common. If I take e common, what happens here? E common, what is there here? E power x is there. So, I have taken one term common, no? If you take one term common, then it will become e power x minus 1. Plus, here what is there? X to the power e minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So, e will come to right side, then it comes to the denominator. Therefore, this much, e to the power x minus 1, x to the power e minus 1 dx is equal to 1 by e dt. So, what happens with our original problem? See, in place of this complete numerator, what I have to write? I have to write only 1 by e into dt. 1 by e anyhow constant. So, let me write it outside the integration in the beginning itself. Therefore, it is 1 by e integration. Numerator is dt. Denominator is t. So, it is 1 by e log mod t plus c. So, this is equal to 1 by e log mod. Substitute t value. What is t for us? T is e power x plus x power e plus c. Where is this? See, it is 1 by e, this one, 1 by e log mod e power x plus x power e plus c. Listen students, see, when you don't know how to do integration, using option also you can get to the answer. I tell you what you need to do. See, if the question is on integration and you don't know how to get the solution, or else you don't know whether it is substitution method or any method you don't know. You can do one more thing, that is verifying options. How to verify option, that I will tell. Let me tell you how to do option verification method. So that is, look here. First, I'll take option A. See, whatever the option is there, you differentiate the option. You'll be knowing how to do differentiation. Differentiate the option. If you get this, then that will be our answer. Otherwise, that is not our answer. Let me differentiate this one. If I differentiate this, what will come? See, log is there. Therefore, it is 1 upon e power x plus x power e. E power x differentiation is e power x plus x power e differentiation is e into x to the power e minus 1. So, c will become 0. This is not our answer, no. You must get e to the power x minus 1. Therefore, this is wrong option. Go for B. Option B. Differentiate this. 1 by e is constant. Keep it as constant into log of this much means it is 1 by e power x plus x power e as it is. Now, e power x differentiation is e power x. X power e differentiation is e to the power x minus 1 plus 0. Differentiation of c is 0. Now, you see, this 1 by e is there. 1 by e is there. Let me take inside the bracket. If I take, this will be there as it is 1 by e power x plus x power e. If I take like inside the bracket, e power x by e means what? E power x minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 by e means how much it will be? what I have made here, see here what I have written here, see here, x power e differentiation is e into x to the power e minus 1, this differentiation, e into x to the power e minus 1. If I take this 1 by e inside the bracket, e and e cancels, it is x to the power e minus 1. Look at this, e to the power x minus 1 plus x power e minus 1 by e power x plus x power e. That is only our question, no? Therefore, this would be our correct answer. While to do this process, that is option verification process, wherever you get the answer, that will be our answer. No need to check all the options here. I hope you are following what am I telling. So in integration, if you don't know answer means, if you don't know how to do the procedure means, what can be done here? You can go for option verification, and that too you have to differentiate the option so that answer must be our question. We'll take next question. Look at second question. Second question is like this. Second question is like this. If integration of sine 2x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sine square x is equal to k log mod a square cos square x plus b square sine square x plus c, then k is equal to, see, half solution they have given. K log denominator they have kept. Can you see here? Whatever denominator is there, that is only there. So indirectly they are giving hint that take denominator as substitution. Let me take denominator as substitution and show you what will come. So I have to take a square cos square x plus b square sin square x is equal to t. Differentiate a square as it is, cos square x is 2 cos x minus sin x plus b square 2 sin x into cos x into dx is equal to dt. Okay. Now it can be written as minus a square 2 cos x sin x, or else 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. You all know that very well, plus b square. Again, this is 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x into dx is equal to dt. What is common here? Sin 2x is common. So if I take sin 2x common, you are left with b square minus a square dx is equal to dt. Therefore, sin 2x dx is equal to dt upon b square minus a square. Now, how the problem changes? Problem changes like this. B square minus a square is constant, no? So, I will write it outside the integration. 1 by b square minus a square into integration of sin 2x dx. Sin 2x dx is how much? It is only dt by denominator is t. Therefore, it is 1 by b square minus a square log mod t plus c. See, everything is there. In place of t, you will write a square cos square x plus b square sin square x plus c also there. This is the thing. In place of k, they have written 1 by b square minus a square. So, they are asking what is the value of k? Value of k is 1 by b square minus a square. This one. Okay. Look at third question. Integration of cos x dx by 1 plus sin square x. Dx I have written twice. Let me remove this. Cos x dx by 1 plus sin square x. Okay. See, sin x cos x is there means easily you can take sin x substitution. So, let me put sin x is equal to t. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Total numerator is only dt for me. So, I will write it as dt by 1 plus t square. So, it is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus t square is how much? Tan inverse t plus c, which is equal to tan inverse t is sin x plus c. So, our answer is tan inverse sin x plus c. Look at fourth one. Integration of sine of tan inverse x into dx. You know very well, in inverse trigonometric function, sin inverse is there means it will become only x. But here tan inverse x is there. You know how to convert tan inverse x to any of the inverse trigonometric functions. So here I would like to convert tan inverse x to sin inverse x. What I will do, let me take a right angular triangle. If this is theta, okay, so what is tan inverse x means how much? Tan definition is opposite divided by adjacent. So this will be x, this will be 1. Then what will be this? This will be definitely 1 plus x square. So you can write tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse. What is definition for sin inverse? Sin inverse is opposite by hypotenuse. So it is x by root 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x is nothing but sin inverse of x by root 1 plus x square. So I would like to substitute here. So our question changes like this: integration of sin inverse x by root 1 plus x square into dx. Now sin and sin inverse gets cancelled. If it get cancelled, what you will get? Integration of x divided by root 1 plus x square into dx. Now you see x square is there here. So if you take substitution, which form is this? Heli nange idu yav form alli barutte? It will be f dash of x by root f of x, right? Okay. Idu answer ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ? f dash of x by root f of x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ answer ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Answer will be 2 root f of x into dx ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. If I take 1 plus x square as the function, what will be the differentiation of 1 plus x square? Only this much I am telling. 1 plus x square. 1 is 0. X square is 2x. 0 plus 2x is 2x. 2x is not there. So multiply by 2, divide by 2. 2 cancel means same thing, no? So this is equal to half. Which form it is? It is in the form f dash of x by root f of x. If it is this form, what will be our answer? 2 root f of x 1 plus x square plus c. 2 cancel. Our answer is root 1 plus x square plus c. So this one, root 1 plus x square plus c is our answer. Fifth one, integration of sin x dx by sin x minus cos x. I told you already, if you don't know how to get idea for this, what you have to do, you have to go for option verification. How to do option verification? Differentiate the option. Wherever you will get the question as answer, that will be our answer. But I will show you the procedure, actually what you have to do. See here, if I want to take denominator as substitution, minus cos x you will get sin x. But for sin x you don't have anything. If you add and subtract again, it will be a problem. So what I will do, first I will multiply and divide by 2. Is there any problem? 2 cancels, same question will be there. Okay. Now I would like to write like this. 2 sin x can be written as sin x plus sin x. 2 sin x can be written as sin x plus sin x. So I will write it as half outside integration of sin x plus sin x by, what is there? Sin x minus cos x into dx. I hope you understood. Now to create denominator in the numerator, you know how to create denominator in the numerator? Just add and subtract whatever is there here. What I did, 2 sin x I have written sin x plus cos x. To create denominator in the numerator, what am I doing now? I am doing, just see here, add cos x, subtract cos x into dx. Cos x cancel, sin x plus sin x is 2 sin x. Okay. Now group the thing. So it is half into integration of what is there in the denominator? Sin x minus cos x is there. Okay, this one, sin x minus cos x. I will write sin x minus cos x, individual division at simultaneously, sin x minus cos x, plus what is left? You are left with sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x into dx. Now you see, sin x minus cos x cancel. So it is half into, this term is 1. Wait. Integration of half into, this is 1 plus. Here what I will do, only for this term, what I will do, I will take denominator as t. Let me take sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Sin x minus cos x is equal to t. What is differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Minus. What is differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Minus into minus plus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So it is in which form? It is in the form f dash of x by f of x. I hope you understood. This is in the form f dash of x by f of x. F dash of x by f of x is there, means what will be our answer? Yes, it is log mod f of x plus c. So here, if I may write like this, 1 plus sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x into dx. Now, what will be answer? Half integration of 1 is x plus, this is in the form f dash of x by f of x. Therefore, it is log mod f of x, log mod sin x minus cos x plus c. So, it is half log mod x plus sin x minus x plus log mod sin x minus cos x plus c. Look at sixth one. Sixth one is known thing for you. Okay. Sixth one, I'll start here only. What is there? Integration of cosecant to the power 4x is there. Cosecant to the power 4 is there, means you know you can write it as cosecant square x into cosecant square x into dx. And by using trigonometric identities, I will replace 1 cosecant square x as 1 plus cot square x. You know that. It is integration of 1 plus cot square x into cosecant square x dx. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to do cosecant square x, take inside the bracket. Let us multiply cosecant square x inside the bracket. Then what does it happen? If I multiply inside the bracket, cosecant square x into 1 is cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x plus, again cosecant square x inside the bracket. It is cot square x into cosecant square x into dx. Okay. Right. This is clear for us. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Okay. Now look at the options. Minus cot x, you have at only one option. Okay, this will be our answer. Then also I will show completely. This is solved for us, no problem. Here you see. If I take cot x as substitution, minus cosecant square dx will be our, we will get it. So what I will do here, I will take cot x is equal to t minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. So cosecant square x dx is equal to minus dt. What I will do here, this is equal to, this answer will be minus cot x plus integration of cot square x cosecant square x dx. And now see here, this is equal to minus cot x cosecant square x dx is minus dt for us. So minus integration of t square dt. Cot x is t. So this is minus cot x minus t cube by 3 plus c. What is t? T is cot x. So if you replace minus cot x minus cot cube x by 3 plus c. This one. Minus cot x minus 1 by 3 cot cube x plus c. Look at the seventh one. It is integration of root x by x plus 1 into dx. Options you see they have given tan inverse. Again, you can go for option verification, but I'll take substitution. What I would like to take is put root x is equal to t. If root x is equal to t, x is equal to t square. Root is there, no? Squaring on both sides. So what will be dx? Dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay. What I will do, question will changes like this. Integration of, in place of root x t, in place of dx, 2t dt. In the denominator, x means t square plus 1. This x means t square plus 1. Now you see this 2 is constant. Right outside the integration. 2 into integration of t into t is t square by t square plus 1 into dt. Now you know what you have to do? What you have to do, tell me. Create denominator in the numerator. How to create? Whatever the number is there, the same number, add and subtract. So if you do that, plus 1 minus 1. Now grouping and do individual division. So 2 into integration t square plus 1 by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. So this is equal to 2 into integration. This term cancels. 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. So this is equal to 2 into integration of 1 is t minus 1 by t square plus 1 is nothing but tan inverse t plus c. Now rewrite what is t. What is t? T is nothing but root x. Wherever t is there, you have to write it as root x. Therefore you will get answer as 2 is there. 2 into minus 2 is there. Sorry, 2 is there. See here, 2 is there. 2 into t is nothing but root x minus tan inverse t is root x plus c. 2 into root, oh, very sorry. See here. This is root x, this is root x. In the option they have given both root x. So our answer is 2 into root x minus tan root x plus c. Now we'll go for next format. In the next type of questions, what we will have is, we have this type of questions. That means, suppose in the question you have like this. Integration of dx divided by sin x plus cos x whole square, or else integration of 3 divided by 2 plus 5 cos square x into dx, or else you may have b divided by c sin square x plus a, or else also you might have integration of dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Can you see which group it is? It is, see, wherever this sin cos is there, wherever sin and cos is there, you have square for that. Okay. See, if you expand, it is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Here also cos square is there, sin square is there, cos square, sin square both are there. Such group is there means, that means for sin and cos you have square. Then what you have to do, first thing you have to do is divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. This is the step you have to go ahead. Then it will convert to some other form. When you have to do this, I have given it already in the synopsis form or in the formula. I have given this. When square is there for sin and cos, then what you have to do? Divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. We'll show some problems on this method. Look at the question. How is this? Integration of dx by 1 plus 3 sine square x. See, you don't have any method to solve this. If you rationalize the denominator also, you won't get anything here. So that is the method what I have told you. What I have told you? I have told you just divide both numerator and denominator. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. I will divide and show. For this sum, I will divide it and show. So how does it look? Integration of 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x plus 3 sine square x by cos square x into dx. Okay. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. If you do so, what happens? 1 by cos square x is secant square x. This is also secant square x. This is 3. Sine square x by cos square x is tan square x. I'll write that. So it is going to become integration of secant square x into dx by secant square x plus 3 tan square x. Okay. Now what can be done? What can be done here is, okay, see here. You have understood this now. I'll remove this. Okay. Now what can be done is, see, I will replace this secant square x in terms of tan. How does it look? You know, this secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x. If I write so, it will be 1 plus tan square x plus 3 tan square x here. Secant square x has written 1 plus tan square x. This is 3 tan square x. So this is going to become 1 plus 4 tan square x. Can also be written as 1 plus 2 tan x whole square. 2 square is 4. So here what it will come? It will come integration of secant square x, or else let me complete here only. Okay. Denominator, complete denominator. I will write dr is equal to. Dr means denominator. Denominator is equal to, it has been changed this much. Now again what I will do, put tan x is equal to t. Again if I take tan x is equal to t, what it will become? Tan x will become secant square x dx is equal to dt, like this. Secant square dx. So total problem changed. Secant square dx has become dt upon 1 plus 2. Tan has become t whole square. Now it is looking just like dx by a square plus x square. What is integration of dx by a square plus x square? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. In place of a you have 1. You know 1 can also be written as 1 square. 1 can also be written as 1 square. So this is equal to tan inverse 2t. Okay. Now don't forget, what is coefficient of t? 2 is there. So it is 1 by 2 plus c. So it is half tan inverse 2. What is t? T is tan x. Therefore total answer is half into tan inverse 2 tan x plus c. Half into tan inverse 2 tan x plus c. Here it is. Half into tan inverse 2 tan x plus c. So that is what I am telling. If sine square or cos square comes, means what you have to do? Divide numerator and denominator, each and every term, by cos square x. Then you will get your answer. One more problem of such type is there here. Can you see this? Okay. Look at 9th one. I'll rub this. Look at the 9th one. For 9th one, no need to do all those things. You have a shortcut formula. If you remember one formula, what I have given already, again I will tell what is that formula. It will be easy for you. They are asking what is k is equal to. See, I will write one formula. Integration of dx divided by a square sine square x plus b square cos square x is equal to, you have formula here. It is 1 by ab tan inverse a sin x by b cos x plus c. This is our formula. What is our formula? 1 by ab tan inverse a sin x by b cos x plus c. This is our formula. This question is according to the formula itself. What they have given? Dx by 4 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. What is the change? In place of a square you have 4. In place of a square you have 4. So we will take a is equal to 2. In place of b square you have 5. So we will take b is equal to root 5. Okay. So they have given in place of k. So what will be answer for this? According to us, answer is, what is our answer? Our answer is 1 by ab. 1 by ab means 1 by a is 2, b is root 5, tan inverse. A sin x you have to write. A sin x is 2 sin x by root 5 cos x plus c. This is our answer. Okay. Sin x by cos x is tan x. They have written it as tan x. 2 by root 5. Sin x by cos x is tan x. They have written. So in place of k, what must be there? In place of k, what must be there? 1 by 2 root 5. Are you following me? See, procedure also you can go for. What will be our procedure? What will be the procedure? Divide by cos square x completely. If you divide by cos square x, what happens? I will tell you quickly. So numerator is going to become 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Here it will become 4 tan square x. It will become 5. I hope you are following me. So our answer here k is 1 by 2 root 5. I tell you students, please go through all the formula. If you learn formula, that itself will be shortcut for you. Now I want to take sums on this formula, that is integration of e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. I want to talk about this sum. So this is our formula now. Okay, right. Look at the formula carefully. Here it must be x. If 2x is there, cos x is there, sin inverse x is there, something else is there. In place of x, something else is there. You have to take substitution of that term itself. Okay. If you want example for this sum means you have simple examples. E power x sin x plus cos x into dx. What is answer for this? Yes, it is f of x, it is f dash of x. So answer is e power x into sin x plus c. Even you have e power x tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. F of x, this is f dash of x. Therefore it is e power x into tan inverse x plus c. Now look at this question. It is x e power 2x into 1 plus x into dx. First you observe, here 2x is there, which must be x for us. So 2x must be substitution. I will take this x inside. It must be only e power x. So I will change it as integration of e power 2x into x inside x plus x square into dx. Now let me take the substitution. 2x is equal to t. Therefore x is equal to t by 2 implies dx is equal to dt by 2. All these changes I have to substitute here. So our problem will be integration of e power t. In place of 2x I have to write t into x is t by 2 plus x square is t square by 4 into dt by 2. In place of dx you have to write dt by 2. Now anyhow this 1 by 2 will be outside for us, no problem. Now you have to decide, in this you have to decide which is function and which is its derivative. Now you see here, I will take this t square by 4. If I take it as f of t, then f dash of t will be, see 1 by 4 outside, t square differentiation is 2t. 2 cancels. So it is t by 2. So this is going to become f dash of t. So this is going to become f dash of t. Now it is looking in the form of e power t f of t plus f dash of t. So what will be our answer for that? E power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is there, means e power x f of x plus c. So this is equal to this, you see here, this 1 by 2 I should write first. This is 1 by 2 into, our answer is e power t, f of t is t square by 4 plus c. Now rewrite what is t. What is t? T is 2x. This is equal to half e power 2x, and this 1 by 4 I will write here. T square, t is 2x, t square is 4x square plus c. 4 cancel. This is equal to 1 by 2 into e power 2x into x square. See here, see what you have? E power 2x into x square. Can I write it as e power x into x whole square? So here it will become e power x into x whole square plus c. So our answer is e power x into x whole square by 2 plus c. Where do we have that? E power x into x whole square by 2 plus c. That is our answer. Look at 11th one. What do you have in 11th question? X e power x. Okay. See, x e power x by 2 plus x whole cube into dx. Remember, if you want to apply the formula e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx, compulsory there must be one f of x and one f dash of x. But here there is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. So, I would like to write this as, this question I will write it as integration of e power x, I will write here. What you have? X divided by 2 plus x whole cube into dx. This is there, correct? So, I will write, see, again, let us do this trick. Create denominator in the numerator. So, for that purpose, what I have to do? So, I will add 2, I will subtract 2 because 2 plus x is there. Here, I will do that. 2 cancels, no problem for you. Now, go for individual division. Therefore, it is e power x into, this is x plus 2 divided by 2 plus x whole cube minus 2 divided by 2 plus x whole cube into dx. You know, x plus 2 or 2 plus x both are same. So, it is, one term gets cancelled here. If I cancel one term, it is e power x into 1 by 2 plus x whole square minus 2 divided by 2 plus x whole cube into dx. Now, you must come to know which is f of x, which is f dash of x here. I can say this is only f of x. I will show also. If this is f of x, this is f of x, then f dash of x is equal to. Differentiate this. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, right? So, it will become minus 1 by this much whole square. So, it is 2 plus x square already there. If I do whole square, it will become whole to the power 4 into differentiation of 2 plus x whole square is 2 into 2 plus x. So, one term get cancelled here. You will get minus 2 divided by 2 plus x whole cube. So, this will be your f dash of x. You need not to do all these things. Just you have to decide which is f of x, which is f dash of x. So, what will be our answer? Our answer is e power x into f of x plus c. Our answer will be e power x into f of x plus c. F of x is this much. F of x is this much. So, our answer is e power x by 2 plus x whole square plus c. This one, e power x divided by 2 plus x whole square plus c. Integration of e power sin inverse x 1 plus x by root 1 minus x square dx. I have told you whatever will be there, you take that as substitution. Before that, let me take your LCM. If I take LCM, how the question looks? Question looks like this. It will be integration of e to the power sin inverse x root 1 minus x square plus x by root 1 minus x square into dx. What I made? I just have taken LCM here. In the bracket, I have taken LCM. Now, I will take substitution. Put sin inverse x is equal to t. If sine inverse x is equal to t, this implies x is equal to sine t. You know this. Differentiate here. It is 1 by root 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. See here, dx upon this much is there. That will be replaced as dt. So question is changed as integration of e power sine inverse x is t into here you see here root 1 minus x square. If I substitute sine t, how does it look? 1 minus sine square t. It look like 1 minus sine square t. You know 1 minus sine square t is? Yes, it is cos square t. So root cos square t get cancelled. You will get only cos t. Therefore complete this is only cos t plus x is sine t, dx upon this is dt. So which is f of x? This is f of x, this is f dash of x. Differentiation of sine t is cos t. So for this answer is e power t into sine t plus c. Replace t is nothing but sine inverse x. So it is e to the power sine inverse x. Sine t is x plus c. So x e to the power sine inverse x plus c. First option. This is our answer. Okay. Look at this. Look at this sum. So for this sum, what you need to do? Tell me quickly. You have to take tan inverse x as substitution. If you take tan inverse x as substitution, I would like to write here tan inverse x is equal to t. Differentiate 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt and x is equal to tan t. Okay. So if I do all those things, how do we get? Okay, see here. So it will be integration of e power t. Tan inverse x is t. Okay, in bracket 1 plus tan inverse x is equal to t, x is equal to tan t, no? So in place of x tan t, in place of x square tan square t, dx and this much is just dt. So it is just dt. So this is equal to integration of e power t. What is 1 plus tan square? Secant square t. So it is tan t plus 1 plus tan square t is nothing but secant square t dt. So f of x, f dash of x. This is equal to e power t. F of x is tan t plus c. So e to the power t is tan inverse x. Tan t is x plus c. So answer is x e power, this is x e power tan inverse x plus c. 14. See here, look here. E power x is there. Very good. No substitution. Log x plus 1 by x square. What is missing here? See, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, which is not there here. Differentiation of 1 by x square is definitely not log x. So what I will do, I will make this as e power x log x. Can I do like this? What is differentiation of log x? 1 by x. To manage, to balance, can I write like this? What I did? Inside the bracket, add and subtract 1 by x I have made. Okay. Now you look here. How I do? I'll write e power x into, can I write like this? Log x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square into dx. Now you see the magic. Okay. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x minus differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Minus into minus plus. See here. This is differentiation is 1 by x. This differentiation is minus 1 by x square. 1 by x minus into minus plus 1 by x square. So this term is f of x. This term is f dash of x. E power x, f of x plus f dash of x into dx. So our answer is e power x into f of x. In place of f of x, what you have? You have log x minus 1 by x plus c. E power x into log x minus 1 by x plus c. 15th. Can you see 15th? By looking at 15th, immediately you can decide this is, you will get the formula after substitution. What is the proper substitution? Proper substitution is, first you have to look at this. 2x is there. So you have to take the substitution. 2x is equal to t. Okay, if I take 2x is equal to t, x is equal to t by 2, dx is equal to dt by 2. Let me write everything here. If I write everything there, it will be integration of e power t. 2x is e power t into 2 sine x is t by 2 plus cos x is t by 2. Okay, this completed. Dx is dt by 2. See here, dx is dt by 2. Now decide which is f of x, which is f dash of x. If I take this as f of x, this 2 as it is, differentiation of sine t by 2 is cos t by 2. T by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 cancel. You will get cos t by 2. So this is f of t. This is f dash of t. So our answer is this 1 by 2 I have to write outside. 1 by 2 written outside. E power t, f of t. F of t is what? 2 into sine t by 2 plus c. So 2 cancel. E power, rewrite t. What is t? T is 2x into sine t by 2 is x plus c. E power 2x sine x plus c. This one. Okay. Now, let me take integration by parts. You remember for the formula for integration by parts is, I would like to show you again, uv dx. So, your formula will be u into integral v dx minus integral of u dash, that is differentiation of first function, into integration of second function into dx plus c. On this formula we have to work now. So, for this formula also, I'll tell you one shortcut. Only for one format it is there. Which format do you have shortcut? Before that, you know how to choose u and v. U is first function, v is second function. Using eyelet rule, you are going to choose first function. Whichever the function will come first in eyelet, there you choose u. Okay. But I want to tell you one shortcut. Shortcut C, if you have an algebra and exponential functions. Algebra and exponential function. For example, let me have x square and e power x. Let me have this function. If you apply this formula, you know how to do, and you have to differentiate twice. That also you know. But without taking anything like this, I will tell you one shortcut formula. What is that? Choose which is u, which is v. This is u. This is v. Okay. What you have to do is, first you write u as it is. That is x square. Integrate v. What is integration of e power x? It is e power x. You keep u as it is. Integrate e power x. V you integrate. First you will start with positive sign. Then change the sign. Minus. See, this is u, no? Differentiate u. It will be 2x. This you integrate. E power x integration is e power x. Change the sign. Minus is going to become plus. Now, this now, differentiate 2x. Differentiation is 2. Integrate e power x. It is only e power x. Plus was there now. Change the sign. Minus. What is differentiation of 2? Differentiation of constant is 0, no? So, 0 into anything is 0. Now, you stop your procedure. Last, anyhow, you have to write plus c. Once again, you see what you have to do. First thing is, keep it in mind. Alternate signs you have to write. Plus, minus, plus, minus. First, we will start with plus. So, for first term, to write first term is very important here. Very carefully. Select u. U will be algebra only here. Okay. So, first you will write algebra. Then you will write exponential. E power x you will write. This algebra term you have to keep on differentiating. Exponential term you have to keep on integrating. That you have to remember. So x square will become 2x plus minus. X square will become 2x. Integration of e power x is e power x. Now differentiate this. with the change of sign. 2x is 2, e power x integration is e power x. After plus minus, 2 will become 0. Stop there, plus c. Okay, I hope you understood this. On this, let me do sums. See, I have written one question. I have written a question. The question is, look at 16th question. Integration of e power x 2 to the power 3 log x base 2 into dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. Then what is f of x? They are asking. This I will write integration of e power x. You know, this can be written as 2 to the power log x cube base 2 into dx. You know this, no? Log a power m is equal to m log a, that thing. This and this are same, means it will get cancelled, you will get only x cube. So totally you will get integration of e power x into x cube into dx. Okay. So it is converted into algebra and exponential. Now this is u, this is v. So what you have to do? All the thing you need to do is you have to start with plus. What is u? U is x cube. So x cube. Integrate v. Don't write v directly. Integrate it. Integration of e power x is e power x. Change the sign, minus. X cube you have to differentiate. 3x square. E power x is e power x. Anytime you integrate, there is no change in exponential function. It will remains as e power x itself. E power x. Now change the sign. Plus. This is 3 2s are 6x. E power x will remain e power x. Now after plus minus, 6x will change as 6. E power x is e power x. Plus. Differentiation of 6 is 0. No need to write. Write plus c. What they have given? E power x into f of x. See, in every term e power x is there. Take it common. E power x common. This is x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 plus c. So this is your f of x. Search, where is that? X cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6. Option 1. Okay. Right. 17th you see, log x whole cube into dx. Only one function is there, means uv you cannot apply. uv, two different must be there. So what I will do, what you have to do, remember, you have to take into 1 and you have to do the procedure. But here I won't do that. Then what I will do, I will change this log to algebra. Let me show you how to change. Okay, I am solving this sum. Here what I will do, let me take log x is equal to t. If I take log x is equal to t, you know x will automatically become e power t. So differentiate, dx is equal to e power t dt. Now substitute everything here. So our question change it to log x whole cube, that is t cube. Dx means e power t dt. Now it is very easy. So I will write answer. So you have to write t cube e power t, change the sign, minus 3t square e power t, change the sign, 6t e power t, change the sign, 6 e power t, 6 will become 0. So therefore it is directly I will write c. I will write c. See, t cube, after that 3t square, after that 6t, then 6. So now, okay, it is there like this, this is equal to. Let me resubstitute. What is this? See, everywhere e power t is there, take e power t common, t cube minus 3t square plus 6t minus 6 plus c. E power t means x, t means log x. Replace e power t means x into t is log x whole cube minus 3. See here, look at the option. Log x whole cube, after that no minus 3, here minus 3 is there. Minus 3t square, that is log x whole square, plus 6t, that is log x minus 6 plus c. So this would be our answer. Students, see, this is applicable, that means shortcut is applicable if only you have algebra and exponential function. If anything else is there, you can't apply like this. You have to go through the procedure. See, I have sent you some of important formulas. So follow that and practice the sums. I told you I'll give you some assignments I'll send today the assignments. Practice the sums. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.